What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Skana. What I'm doing right here is dropping the chords 5 down. Sorry for not having an intro, but I was just like really in the zone of making this beat. Right now I'm just like building the chords and just seeing what I'm feeling. Oh my days, that lead is too sexy. Okay, let me save that. I want to do like another pattern. I kind of like that last part right here. Ooh, shit. Yeah, my stomach hurt. I got all the bags in the cut. It is nothing burnt. Yeah, tell you in the clear. I got others in the bag. Yeah, sip on wine, sip on wine. Oh my god, that's hard. Let me just take this first part and put it on this part right here. So I don't want this loud part right here. I want it like muted. What I'm going to do is put the first part at the end. That way it slides, and then I'm going to render that out. Perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Man, I love beats like this. Right now it needs like a crazy arp. da 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 da. Hey, oh my days. I got all these bags in my cut, I don't know. I got all the better than the dust, I don't know. Oh my god, this beat, shit, hey, hey. We got another hit. This beat is fire. There's so much room for Playboi Carti just to go crazy on it. Bro, I love this beat. At first I was like, this beat is too simple. But then we kept on adding things, switched up the 808 pattern, and it turned out super fire in my opinion. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. Make sure to check out my other videos if you like this one. Also, all the sounds that I'm using in this video, like the drum sounds, are in the description, so feel free to check that out. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.